This is Christy, and in this video, I want to talk about faceless videos. And of course, you're seeing my face on this video, but recently I went to Instagram and I started my own faceless Instagram profile. And the reason I did is I was seeing people having really, really good success. Here's a good example of this one's profile. And of course, no results are guaranteed, but this really inspired me when I saw people having this kind of success without showing your face. I mean, pretty good. So, yeah, there's all kinds of reels that you can actually purchase and download to help you do this. I actually started, I like to document my progress. So I actually went in here, and after I found some products to sell, and this one you can download, it's just a little over $7. And it's actually something that is really, really popular with people on Instagram who are wanting to create and sell their own digital products. And you can actually download this guide and resell it for 100% profit. So it's really cool. It's found in Canva. And Canva is a graphics website that allows you to download products and upload the products and edit them, and then just turn around and resell them. So, yeah, I'd like to invite you to do that. I actually made several covers that you can pick from. So this is, yeah, something that you might want to check out. And I'll put a link to this below the video. I also, the next page you'll see too is done free videos, which will really help you kickstart your faceless Instagram account. You can actually upload these also to Pinterest or any other social media account that you are currently in or like to post to, because it works all over the internet. You do YouTube shorts, and this is what they look like right here. It's just action videos of like people stirring their coffee, all kinds of things like that. This is what they look like. And they're beautiful. And the buzzword now on Instagram is aesthetic. Aesthetic. I don't know why, but aesthetic just means beautiful. That's simply all it means. So you will just check these out. I mean, this is a really good deal too. You can get all of these. It's 1,200 faceless videos for only $17. And then you would just go into Canva, you put your words on there, and then you would go and in your Instagram account and go on your phone and just upload your reel, add some music that's built in to Instagram, and put something on there that's, the caption is called a hook, and you want people to be able to be so curious. So you don't want to put all your information on there. Here's an example. You can make $10,000 a month selling done for you MRR products. Now, you want to be careful about putting income claims like that. So I wouldn't advise that. Don't promise anybody any money or income. You can't legally, but you can say what you've done. So say you say on your first hook, it's called a hook. You could say, I started this faceless account today. Today is day 1. Stay tuned to my progress. And then day 2, you could put it, the caption say, hey, day 2, I actually got 10 views. And that is your progress. And so your new Instagram faceless account could start with just documenting your journey. Document your journey every day, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. I've seen a lot of that. And people will go back and watch your day 1. And then in your bio, link out to either your website or a link tree or a Stand Store link, and upload one of the products that you can buy straight from me. I mean, you can buy these products and turn around and resell them. That's the beauty of MRR. And I say resell them. You can list them to resell. Nobody can promise you'll sell anything, but you can list them to resell. And people are having a lot of great success using Instagram. And when I found out that Instagram actually has 2 billion users, it just blew my mind. And I thought, why am I not on Instagram? And why am I not doing Faceless? So that's what I decided to do. And, what they do is these hooks are what's called, creating curiosity. Again, don't promise anybody they're going to make any money or have any kind of results at all, but you can put your results. Okay. This is her personal results. And look at this. These are super cute. Look at that. The Chat GPT prompt that made my reels go from. And the reason they do the wording on different screens is because the longer you watch someone's video, the more it gives the algorithm a signal, hey, I'm going to boost this reel. And man, she's really getting boosted. 18,725 likes, or it might be he, says Dan. And then what he does is you put down below, it's sort of like your sales letter, or it's like a blog post. That's what it's like. Here's my secret strategy. First, comment X. And then when someone comments X, it actually gives the Instagram algorithm another signal of engagement. Somebody liked this video enough to comment on it. And so that is awesome. That is helping him in the search engine called Instagram. And the hashtags are also helpful, but it's a part of the recipe. So if you want to have something to sell again, feel free to, go to my page right now. It is just a little over $7. I don't know what it'll be when you see this, but it's a built-in product. And these are as well. You can actually download these faceless videos and get started. You would have 2 products to put on your storefront. And and then the next page you'll see is actually how to set up your storefront. I have what's called a stand store, and a stand store is simply a storefront that is the buzzword and all the rage on Instagram. If you start going into Instagram and you start clicking on people's name and their bio, you'll see the stand store. Okay. And that's where you list your products like this. So if you go to the 3rd page, and I'll just link these separately in case you're interested in one and not the other, you can actually take this product and turn it around and sell it like you wrote it yourself. Okay. So that's three ingredients. First of all, you start a Faceless channel. You have something to sell. Secondly, you can have 1,700 videos already done for you. And then your 3rd product could be this. You just, download this. It tells you how to set up your store. And then your 3rd product could be the PDF that tells you how to set up your store, right? And then you can turn around it and resell it to others. This is selling for me on Stand Store. Okay. So I hope that's helpful. If you haven't thought about, a faceless Instagram account, I think you really wanted to consider it. I mean, people are having a lot of success on there. Okay. Again, I can't guarantee results, but I can guarantee you I'm doing the same thing. I started my profile and I'm on a journey. Okay. I hope that helps. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.